Good afternoon and welcome back to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. We've been coming to you live throughout the day from Crypto Evolve, brought to you by Viable Markets. It's the industry's first conference focused on market structure for cryptocurrency. And helping me wrap up coverage for the day is Catherine Cooper. She's part of the shareholder fintech and blockchain practice over at Murphy and McGonigal. I would imagine there's no shortage of work with everything that you're focusing on, but you just wrapped up the panel Raising the Bar. It's pretty cute how they did that. What were some of the key themes that you discussed on the panel?
Well, we discussed the director of corporate finance at the SEC's recent statement where he clarified that Ether is not a security, although at one point it had been in his view. And therefore, a lot of the community thought that Ether was not a security, at least at this point, so that was not so momentous. But the fact that, in his view, something that once was a security could morph into something that wasn't a security, that is new and novel.
Why would that be a concern for the industry, or why would it be a shock, for lack of a better term?
Well, because the categorization is important, because all the rules and regulations applied to trading a security don't necessarily apply to trading a commodity.
So what does the legal and regulatory landscape in the U.S. look like now for companies and crypto assets?
Sure. I mean, I think that if you're a space alien interested in market regulation and you landed here in the United States and you saw that there are 3 federal agencies attempting to possibly regulate cryptocurrency, SEC, CFTC, the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, a bureau of the U.S. Treasury. So you have those 3 federal regulators doing things, and you have 50 states in the United States, plus the District of Columbia, and their state-level regulators are doing things as well. So it's a bit of a crowd,
right,
to meeting you when you're trying to start a business. So I do think that a space alien would find it confusing.
I'm sure some people I think they'd be confused about. But so does the SEC or the CFTC take the lead in matters when it relates to crypto securities?
So yes, I think they've actually been doing a pretty good job, given their history of not getting along in the past, of actually getting along and dividing up the work. So for cryptocurrencies that are not securities, the CFTC has been taking a lead. But in terms of the initial coin offerings and the tokens that are issued to them, that process that look like securities, the SEC is going to take the lead.
Now, there's a question of jurisdiction in a case that you're actually working on, CFTC versus My Bitcoin. What's the issue there?
Right. So the CFTC has brought 8 enforcement actions in the United States alleging fraud in the cash market for cryptocurrencies. All 7, except for the 8th one that I am working on, involve Bitcoin to some degree, and Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency that has a futures contract on it. So I've moved to dismiss the lawsuit against my client on the grounds that there is no futures contract trading on my Bitcoin, and therefore it's outside the jurisdiction of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. All
right, and to wrap up, do you have advice for how companies with crypto assets avoid obstacles and not get into trouble with the regulators?
Sure. Well, one, you might want to consult a lawyer. Mm-hmm. That might be a little bit of a self-plug, so sorry.
At Murphy and
but be very mindful of whether something could possibly be a security. If you're selling a token to raise money that you're going to use to build out your business, that's likely an investment contract and therefore security. If you're offering a fully functioning coin that can be used right away to buy a good or service, then that's much less likely to be necessarily deemed a security based on precautions.
All right. Well, thank you very much for helping close out coverage today at Crypto Beyond, and thank you for joining me throughout the day. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.